is his lag-free 16-cylinder 400-horsepower turbo engine. Would you ever believe it if the cameraman didn't capture this video? Just now, two lions teamed up to catch the warthog. Immediately, he floored the gas pedal. The 5G antenna stood erect, and he completed the 0-100 mph acceleration in just 3 seconds. Even while fleeing, he showed no signs of embarrassment. His movements were incredibly graceful, without a hint of hesitation. There was even a touch of disdain towards the lions and the cameraman. As the internet star of the savannah, the warthog is undoubtedly a king, both in terms of engine and appearance. Today, have the lions been completely humiliated, or do they have another plan? Stay tuned to find out. The warthog, the proud owner of a premium turbo engine, often goes out to flex his muscles with his family. This gives them an advantage in escape situations. The more warthogs there are, the smaller the lion's chances of success. They can easily accelerate at any moment, causing the lions to become dizzy and indecisive. On the surface, it may seem like the lions are about to catch up to the warthog, but everything is under his control. To deal with the lions, the warthog simply floors